Good day and welcome to this channel. So my name is Patrick and I will be reviewing this infrared solar intelligence system. So this is a solar system which actually charges with solar or electricity. So it's not only bound to charge with only solar. So it means you can actually use this thing indoor or outdoor. So there is no bound to that. So if you are going to use it indoor, you will be charging it with electricity. If you will be using it outdoor, you can still charge it with electricity if you got a long cable, or you can still use solar system if you are in an area where there's enough sunshine, or it's sunny just like us here in Africa. So the reason I bought this is because I am studying an internet cafe. So I want to have some sense of security and alertness at night. So I bought this system on Temu for about how much? $15. About $15. That's about 265 francs approximately, and mostly it goes for about 480 or something. That's about $25. So I bought this because it looked really interesting, it looked really compact. So I'll be reviewing it for you, so either you get to know whether is it a right thing for you to buy or not. So I'm going to start with the basics. I want to give you the length of this thing. So the width of it, I'm taking my ruler, I'll be measuring in centimeters. That's about 18 centimeters. So, and the height is about around about 8.5 centimeters. So as you can see, it is a very compact solar system, or rather solar alarm system. Okay, so what comes in the box? What you're going to get, you're obviously going to get your solar powered alarm system. You're going to get a remote. You are going to get also this cable. This is a charging cable. Then you're also going to get a manual, and also you're also going to get these screws for mounting your solar alarm system. So let's say it's the first time and it just came. For first time use, I would recommend that you charge it via electricity. That's about I would recommend that you charge it via electricity. Then you're going to take the cable that comes with this solar alarm. Then you're going to open here and plug it in through here. Then you're going to charge it wherever on the outlet or whatever charging head that you have. Then you're going to charge it for at least 2 hours. You're going to charge it at least 2 hours for first time use. So let's say you bought this solar system because you don't have electricity. It is still fine. You're going to just plug it, though it will take time, because mostly devices, when they come, they are not actually full. You have to fully charge them so that they can start functioning. So when it will be very beneficial if you were to first charge it with electricity, then you're going to mount it wherever you want to mount it. So the fact that this thing, it's a solar powered solar system, does not mean that you can only put it outdoor. It is actually aesthetically looking nice. You can still mount it indoor and still use your adapter or charging cable to charge it, because there are actually other adapters which come with this type of a head or pot, which you can see it is a 5 volt system. So you can get a 5 volt what you call you can get a 5 volt adapter and just plug it in and put it even indoors, so you don't necessarily need to use the solar thing. So for first time use, what you're going to need to do, you're going to need to long press this thing. So after long pressing it, it will give you that beep sound. Okay, sorry. Okay, it will give you that beeping sound. I'm just going to switch it off. Okay, so I've switched it off. So that is for first time use. When you, after just switch it off, it might it might just surprise you and identify you as one of those unwanted people in the house. Okay, so after switching it on, okay, let me switch it back on. So since I've already switched it on, I can just press any button, like I can just press this D, then you see it is armed. So what I can do, let's say I want to change the sound, I can come here and you can press here. You see here where it shows this thing. You can come and press. So these are the different sounds which you can. So these are the different sounds which come with this. So you just keep on pressing here. So whatever sound you may like, you're going to press that one. So let's say, okay, I don't like this one. Okay, for whatever reason, let's say I like this sound. I'm just going to stop it here. I'm not going to press any further. So that's the sound that is going to happen. So let's say I want to increase the volume. I'm going to come and press, you see here. So I'm not going to press the volume because I'll be making a lot of noise. So this is where you're going to want to change your volumes. So let's say you want to record your own custom, what you call, I'm just going to long press and turn it off. Let's say you want to record your own custom sound, of which I might, or rather I'm not going to do it now. You're going to come and press this button for about 15 minutes. Then it will start flashing. Then you're going to come and record into, you see this thing? This is the microphone where you're going to start recording your sound. Let's say you just want to warn people, get off my property, I'm aware of your presence and the police are on their way. So you can just record whatever you want to record on this device. Okay, so how does this device work? We're just going to look at this here. Here we've got, if you can see here, we've got operation instruction. So we've got how many modes? It's about 4 modes. Then the 5th mode is the turn off mode. So the 24-hour mode, which says motion sensor and flash and alarm. So this is the A. So let me press A. So with A, anytime there's a movement or when it senses someone, it will start flashing. So if I can press B, so B, what happens that anytime, whether it's at night or during the day, when there's a movement or rather when it begins to capture someone, it will just do this flashing without sound. So C, what happens that it is for night only. It's for night mode only. Then when at night, when there's a movement or when it captures or senses someone, it will start making whatever sound and the flashlight, whatever sound that you chose, and it will also flash just like this. So on D, if you can see now, it does what you call sensor. but it only does flash. So let's say the alarm, let me take it, for example, let me say A, then I want to move it. So you see now, let's say the alarm has started now, it's making a lot of noise. Then I'm going to want to long press any button to turn it off. I'm going to long press until it goes off. So you see now, when I do any movement, nothing is happening. So is this a good product or not? Mostly it will be all up to you, but I feel like it is actually a good, and the things that I didn't increase the volume here, but it is actually loud enough for you to hear at night when someone tries to enter your property or trying to interfere with your property. So if you can see here at the back, there are actually where you can mount your screws, but I don't recommend these screws because they are a bit too small. So you can use maybe whatever bigger screws which can enter through your wall, so that, because you see here, if someone can just come and try to drag it down, it will just go down. It will just pull off. So you want to get something that, or rather you want to use the screws which can be able to last you, make this thing to be durable enough. So my final verdict, I would say I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. And the reason why is because of its versatility. It is a very versatile, small, compact, solar powered alarm system. So means, so this is, I heard it's an IP55 rated. I'm not so sure. I forgot what I forgot. I think it was an IP55 rated. So means it is weather resistant. You can put it on the sun. So but also remember this, it's also, they say that if it becomes low, it can start giving you false alarm. So you must always make sure that your device is fully charged. And also, if it is pointed directly, you see this infrared sensor, if it is pointed directly to the sun, it might start giving off false alarms and start annoying you and your neighbors. So what you can do, just find a better spot and place it. So I like the fact that also you can use it indoor and outdoor. So it aesthetically, it does not look bad at all. You can actually use it indoor and outdoor. So there are actually other smaller versions which are, it's only like this part. Yeah, so it's all up to you. They almost work the same, but I think in terms of durability and the loudness of sound, it's not the same. So yeah, that's all about this video. So as I said, I'm studying an internet cafe, so I want to just to mount this thing outside of my shop. uh yeah, and just to get an alert, because my shop is actually a home office, so I will get to hear it if anything happens at night. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please do subscribe, and if you found value, like and share, and let us know about this device. Thank you so much.